Algebra 1 EOC Star Review, Category 4, Quadratic Transformations. At the top here you see the equation that we use to transform the quadratic or the parabola, y equals a times x plus or minus c squared plus or minus d. First, to be able to describe a transformation or change the graph, you need a starting graph. We use the quadratic parent function for this. It's y equals x squared. That is the parent function of a quadratic. If we type y equals x squared into our y equals screen, we can go look at some table values that we're able to plot on a graph and visualize or see what the quadratic parent function looks like. So we look at this as like our starting graph. And now we're able to manipulate or change the a, c, and d value to move it in certain ways. If we change the d value, the number that's after the x squared that's added or subtracted, the constant, it would move the parabola. If it's plus d up or minus d, we can shift it down. If we change the c value inside parentheses to move it left or right, plus would move it left and right is subtracting c. A value, if we want to flip over the x or y axis, we could just make the a value negative. If we change the a value, if we make a bigger, like 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes narrower, so it gets vertically compressed. But then if we make a value smaller than 1, like a fraction, 1/2, you can plug that into your y equals screen to see that it gets wider. So changing a affects if it's flipped, facing up or down, or it also affects how wide or narrow the graph is.